Welcome to the Kentucky Show. They call me Kentucky. This is day 46, trying to learn how to make videos. What is this show going to be about? I just don't know. My goals to becoming a YouTuber. Well, at 65 years old, I don't know if it means much, but welcome to the show. My startup goals to becoming a YouTuber. Well, I'm going to wait till maybe the end of February. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. Again, this is day 46. I got a pad down here I'm looking at. My goal is to becoming a YouTuber. Hey, it's just a hobby. One of the goals I want to do to improve myself is pronunciation. I haven't done public speaking for 10 years. And yes, I get lazy and I get slurring and mispronunciation and my grammar's off. Hell, I ain't the only thing's off at 65 years old. But yeah, work on your pronunciation and I will too. Script writing. I've talked about this in the previous video and I'll keep it short. This is one of the most important things you can learn how to do in being a creator, a content creator, a video maker. Call it what you want. Storytelling. Well, let me just put on my reading glasses. I'm a fictional writer and I like that. And I find it interesting that I'm going to be a storyteller on a YouTube show that I'm building. Storytelling is a plus. Well, it don't get much better than this at 65 years old. Put on an old sweatshirt, got an eagle on it, flex up my muscles. 65 years old, having fun. My new hobby. Appearance does put forth an attitude. I was taught that a long time ago, and if you don't know that, let me share it with you. Um, I'm old. I can't do nothing about my appearance too much. I love my straw hat, but that's who I am. Kentucky. Editing is an important part of your video production. Clipchamp offers you an opportunity, and it may be already installed on your computer. Use it. It's a free program. They do have a premium program, but Clipchamp is an easy editing program. Found a camera. I looked at a bundle price. It includes two lenses, and that was less than $1,000. But the Sony EZ-E10, looking at my pad down there, that looks like the camera everybody is using. Maybe perhaps a couple of reasons it's easy to use. It has a good mic input, so you can have a mic right there on your chest if you want to. That'd be kind of cool. Well, the one thing you need to learn, and I need to learn, what is a niche? You got to get a niche going in your show. I'm creating a show and I'm writing things down to help create that niche. It's an outline about what my show is going to be about. And I can't wait. It's going to be fun. It's going to be full of characters that I'm going to create, and I can't wait to meet them. One thing I need to learn to do is build a show. And again, I'm waiting towards the end of February, taking notes, getting that niche going, script writing, editing, learning. It's cold outside, so I'm going to order that camera here probably the end of January. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching the Kentucky Show. I have a lot to learn, and I think by the time I get to the end of January, I'm going to do all right. And I think you can too. You can make a video, I can make a video, and yeah, hey, 65 years old, learning a new hobby. Education never killed anybody. Have a great day. This is Kentucky.